We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the TRAVANDO AirTag Wallet for men with a money clip, AirTag slot, and RFID blocking technology. If you own this wallet, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and your support helps the channel. The TRAVANDO AirTag Wallet is designed for the modern user who values both security and convenience. This wallet stands out for its slim profile, measuring 4.5 by 3.2 by 0.8 inches and weighing just 3.53 ounces. Its compact dimensions ensure it fits comfortably in your pocket without creating an unsightly bulge, a feature that is consistently praised by users seeking a minimalist carry solution. The wallet is manufactured by TRAVANDO and ranks highly among men's wallets, with over 6,000 ratings and an average of 4.3 out of 5 stars, reflecting broad customer satisfaction. One of the wallet's most notable features is its dedicated transparent pocket for an AirTag, allowing users to track their wallet's location via Apple's Find My network. This integration addresses a common concern, losing one's wallet, and provides peace of mind, especially for those who travel frequently or have a tendency to misplace personal items. While the AirTag itself is not included, the ability to add this tracking functionality is a compelling advantage that sets the TRAVANDO wallet apart from traditional bifold and trifold wallets. The wallet offers 11 card pockets, which strikes a balance between capacity and slimness. Users report that this is generally sufficient for everyday essentials such as credit cards, business cards, and IDs. The outside notch design allows for easy card access, enabling users to push cards out smoothly, a feature that is appreciated for its practicality compared to traditional wallets where cards are stacked deep in pockets and can be difficult to retrieve. However, some users note that the driver's license holder is particularly tight, making it more challenging to remove the license compared to other card slots. This tightness may ease over time with use, but it is something to be aware of if you frequently need to show your ID. The integrated metal money clip is another functional highlight. It allows users to secure several bills inside the wallet without relying on a bulky cash compartment. This design choice contributes to the wallet's slim profile but also imposes limitations. Users who carry a significant amount of cash may find the clip restrictive, as it does not accommodate large stacks of bills. For those who primarily use cards and only carry a few bills for emergencies, the money clip is more than adequate and helps maintain the wallet's streamlined form. Security is a major selling point for the TRAVANDO AirTag Wallet. The wallet features RFID blocking technology tested by an independent German quality control institute to protect against unauthorized scanning and data theft. This is particularly relevant in urban environments or while traveling, where RFID skimming has become a concern. The wallet blocks the 13.56 MHz band, which includes most contactless credit cards and IDs, providing users with confidence that their sensitive information is shielded from electronic pickpockets. In terms of build quality, users consistently describe the wallet as durable and well-made. The materials feel high quality and robust, suggesting that the wallet will withstand daily use for years. Many reviewers mention that the wallet was given as a gift and was well received, highlighting its appeal as a practical and stylish present for men of various ages. The wallet's design is sleek and modern, with a professional appearance that suits both casual and formal settings. Despite its many strengths, the wallet is not without drawbacks. Some users report difficulty inserting and removing the AirTag from its pocket. The fit is snug, which ensures the AirTag stays securely in place, but it can make installation tricky. Fortunately, several reviewers found that watching a short instructional video online resolved the issue in a matter of minutes. Another point of contention is the card capacity. While 11 card slots are sufficient for most users, those who carry numerous membership, shopping, or specialty cards may find the space limiting. For these individuals, supplementing the TRAVANDO wallet with an additional card holder may be necessary. A few users express a preference for more flexible wallets, noting that the TRAVANDO is somewhat firm and does not conform as easily to the body as softer leather options. This firmness contributes to the wallet's durability and protection, but may be less comfortable for those accustomed to more pliable materials. Additionally, a small number of users were initially disappointed to discover that the AirTag is not included with the wallet. However, the product listing clearly states this, and most users adjusted their expectations accordingly once they realized the AirTag must be purchased separately. The wallet's slim profile is both a strength and a limitation. It is ideal for those who want to avoid bulky pockets and carry only the essentials. However, if you're someone who regularly needs to carry a large number of cards, cash, or receipts, you may find the wallet's capacity insufficient. The money clip, while effective for a few bills, does not replace the functionality of a traditional billfold for those who handle cash frequently. From an organizational standpoint, the TRAVANDO AirTag Wallet excels at keeping cards and cash neatly arranged. The dedicated slots prevent cards from overlapping or becoming disorganized, and the push-out notch makes it easy to access the most frequently used cards. The transparent AirTag pocket is thoughtfully positioned to avoid interfering with the wallet's overall usability. Users who value order and quick access to their essentials will appreciate these design choices. In terms of aesthetics, the wallet's minimalist design is widely praised. It exudes a sense of sophistication without being flashy, making it suitable for a variety of personal styles. The branding is subtle and the overall look is clean and modern. This makes the wallet an attractive option for professionals, students, and anyone who prefers a refined yet understated accessory. The wallet's RFID blocking feature is a significant benefit for security-conscious users. With the rise of contactless payment technology, the risk of unauthorized scanning has become more prevalent. The TRAVANDO wallet's tested RFID protection provides an effective barrier against this threat, giving users peace of mind that their financial and personal information is safe. This is especially important for travelers and those who commute in crowded urban environments. Gift givers will find the TRAVANDO AirTag Wallet to be a versatile and appealing choice. Its combination of style, security, and functionality makes it a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. The ability to add an AirTag increases its appeal for tech-savvy recipients who appreciate the added layer of security and convenience. Many reviewers mention that the wallet was well received as a gift, further attesting to its broad appeal. In summary, the TRAVANDO AirTag Wallet is a well-designed, feature-rich accessory that caters to the needs of modern users. Its slim profile, RFID blocking technology, and AirTag compatibility make it a standout choice for those seeking a balance of security, convenience, and style. The wallet's durable construction and thoughtful organization ensure it will serve its owner well for years to come. While it may not be ideal for those who carry large amounts of cash or numerous cards, it excels as a minimalist solution for everyday use. The main criticisms, tight card slots, limited cash capacity, and a snug AirTag pocket are relatively minor and are outweighed by the wallet's many advantages. If you are considering an upgrade from a traditional wallet, or if you are searching for a practical and stylish gift, the TRAVANDO AirTag Wallet is worthy of your attention. Its high customer ratings and positive feedback from users across the internet underscore its reputation as a reliable and innovative product. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you own this wallet, please share your experience in the comments to assist others in making an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable to the community. Overall, the TRAVANDO AirTag Wallet stands as a testament to the evolution of everyday carry accessories, blending classic wallet functionality with modern technology and security features. Its popularity and positive reception are well-deserved, making it a recommended choice for anyone seeking a slim, secure, and trackable wallet solution.